everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I did a huge trade with my mega parrot, and I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for it. I'm going to be showing you a clip of my live stream actually, and I traded it on my live stream. So yeah, here's the clip.
Wait, okay,
What to give her? I'll give her, I need to give her something decent.
OMG, wait, add a bit more.
What do you even give her? Because I don't want to be under.
Even add. Look at this. Oh my god. I'll even add. I'm gonna add like
I think
that. I'll add that.
I'll add. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what I'm gonna. I have like.
Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm
$1 So we're gonna add $1 million.
I'm trading my mega parrot.
Yay! Finally! You've had that stuck in your inventory forever.
I'm doing this trade. I'm so doing this trade. Mega, neon. Oh my god!
I feel bad because I think I'm under. If I'm under, you can decline.
Oh my god.
You can decline.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'll decline for
Oh
her.
my god. Oh.
My pets are being little babinskis.
Wait. I don't know, maybe can you add a bit
Try an
more?
offer for a mega kangaroo really fast, but we won't judge them if they don't like our offer.
I don't know, maybe
Because
she can add a bit more. She's gonna add some more.
all okay. Did you do it?
Yes! Holy crap! Oh my god!
Yay!
I'm so happy! Yay! Oh my god!
Doogie's barking.
Ooh, look at this amazing trade!
Did you do it?
I'm like literally going to like cry. Yes! Yes! Let's go.
Okay, wait, what did you get? What did you get? Well, this is like,
Oh,
okay.
I feel like literally rich. Thank you so much. OMG. Yay.
So that's what I traded it for, but they did in fact add so much. Let me show you what she added, and this is my friend, by the way. So here is the normal trade, as you can see. So what I originally accepted it for. Here's the second trade. I asked her if she could add. I told her it was optional and I didn't want to push it, but she said that she would add a lot more, so she added this. And she also added all of this. So I thought it was a great trade. I got 2 mega neons, a bunch of neon legendaries, and normal legendaries, and I thought it was just the best trade ever. Like literally, I love this trade so much. So thank you so much, Billie the Yorkie. You have made my whole entire day by this trade, and I'm so excited because now I have now I have a lot of legendaries. And I even got this little cutie pie. I named her Cream for now, but I might change it. And then here's the rest. I got a neon griffin and a neon kangaroo, and you know, just a bunch of other stuff. And 2 neon dragons. I haven't had one of these in like forever, so. And Mega Neon Unicorn. So right here, Star is her name. And I am so happy. So thank you so much, Billie the Yorkie. You have, again, made my day. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye, guys.